Rajeev, hi, good evening.
Hi.
First of all, thank you so much for joining us in this roundtable today. I think your insights that you shared were wonderful. But I'm specifically keen to understand some of the immediate business challenges that you're facing, from an IT perspective or some of your immediate initiatives.
See, our latest initiative is in drones.
Right. Okay.
And in drones, the biggest challenge that we are facing is that we are every day getting more than 2 to 8 TBs of data.
So huge data basically, which
Huge
is
data.
getting correct.
So even though our rest of the organizations are mostly cloud centric, except
Okay.
our finance department,
Right.
and very keen to because this data is coming all over India,
Right.
and we really want to have it move through cloud.
Right. So digital is obviously the new wave
yeah.
of implementation which you are
But
doing.
the volume
Correct.
and how do we manage this situation?
Correct.
my
In
current-
terms of the explosive growth of data specifically that you're looking at.
Yes.
Right.
Second part of it is the security.
Security.
That how will it be secure? How will we be able
Right.
to manage and secure it in
From a cloud deployment
because
perspective.
It's connected with very important
Critical and sensitive data.
sensitive data. So,
But my assumption is you're already leveraging cloud in some form or the other for your core or maybe some other applications.
right.
So is there a thought process in terms of cloud 2.0 cost optimization or re-looking at the architecture, maybe optimizing the way that it is currently deployed?
Oh yes, that is we always stay
Right.
active.
Correct.
That
Commercial
if you
challenges,
Come to me,
correct.
ki, Rajeev, yes.
Correct.
Probably I would like to have a look at your environment and maybe
Right.
you can suggest me something better.
Right.
I would like to at least discuss. We are always open for a
Right.
better business opportunities and better business alliances.
Right.
Because every day someone or other
Right.
person, every partner,
Right.
every organization is bringing out
Right.
something new
Correct.
or
Absolutely.
something innovative.
I think the space is
So,
ever evolving.
Yes.
Correct.
So you must take the advantage of that.
Correct. So would it be fair to say that most of your decisions are now business oriented, specifically last 2-3 years, rather than IT? I think being more than an enabler, it's now starting to be more of as a differentiator.
See, since beginning actually,
Okay.
since I took this head position,
Right.
it has always been a business sensitive.
Okay, I understand.
You
So
know,
there is a very hardcore alignment in terms of the business outcomes.
yes. So
How
whenever-
is it affecting the business, in terms of the IT decisions and the deployments?
Giving a small incident, when I was a hardcore techie,
Right.
I would definitely tell him that we would like to buy the latest in the server or in
Okay.
PC.
Correct.
But my boss would say that
Right.
since he was the business
Right.
core person, he
Right.
would say, Ki, Rajeev, does it make a business sense?
I agree. Absolutely.
So this is
Correct.
where I started, and
Correct.
then everywhere it goes, whether it makes a business sense and how
Correct.
much business value we can create out of the
Correct.
technology, because we are using technology to make more out of our business.
More and absolutely create, I think, very specific business outcomes that help us in terms of our macro business objectives.
We do automation to make more
Absolutely, I agree.
by spending less.
Correct.
So that's the core objective always.
Correct. So how do you see Sify, whatever that you heard from us, position in terms of helping you, maybe help you in some of your challenges or create some specific outcomes for you?
See, Sify has been with us from a long journey.
Wonderful.
In 90s when
It's a private
Sify,
ISP the way that we started. Wonderful.
Started.
Right.
So our
Right.
experience with Sify has been very good.
Okay, wonderful.
Many of the CPs people have worked with us
Wonderful. Awesome.
during this thing. So I'm
Right.
definitely
Right.
I would be welcoming CP's
Sure.
new
No, I think it's
initiatives
absolutely
and
our
everything
pleasure to try and see
whenever-
where we bring value to your business.
Yeah.
And I think thanks so much for your time, Rajeev. It was wonderful to speak to you.
Please,
Thank you.
always. Thank you.
Right.